So, you want to get into crypto? Maybe you've heard stories of people making fortunes overnight, or you're just curious about what all the hype is about. The world of cryptocurrency is exciting, fast-paced, and full of potential, but it can also be incredibly confusing, especially when you're just starting out. With thousands of coins and tokens out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. Every day, new projects launch, each promising to be the next big thing. The sheer volume of choices can make your head spin. You've probably heard of Bitcoin and Ethereum, the giants of the crypto world. But beyond them lies a vast ocean of altcoins. Some started as jokes, others have serious ambitions to revolutionize industries, and many more fall somewhere in between. It's a bit like walking into a supermarket where every aisle is packed with unfamiliar brands and flashy packaging. How do you know what's worth your attention and what's just noise? Throwing your money at random coins isn't investing, it's gambling. Without a plan, you're just hoping to get lucky, and that rarely ends well. Some crypto projects are backed by real technology and talented teams working to solve real problems. Others are driven by hype, empty promises, or even outright scams. The key to navigating this landscape: do your research. Take the time to understand what you're investing in, and make decisions based on facts, not just feelings. Most new investors get caught up in chasing trends or FOMO, fear of missing out, leading to emotional decisions and costly mistakes. What you really need is a system, a reliable tool that helps you cut through the noise, analyze the data, and spot real opportunities before everyone else does. Today, we'll introduce you to a powerful tool that professional investors use every day to filter out the junk and zero in on the best crypto investments. Let's get started. Enter the Crypto Screener, your search engine for digital assets. Like shopping online, you filter coins by price, volume, or market cap. It's your secret weapon for navigating the crowded crypto market. Data doesn't lie. A screener gives you real numbers, not hype. Use it to find coins that match your strategy, not someone else's prediction. Most screeners are free and web-based. Just visit sites like CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, or TradingView. Instead of checking hundreds of coins manually, a screener does it in seconds. Work smarter, not harder. Let's get practical. If you want to discover promising cryptocurrencies before they hit the mainstream, you need the right tools and a smart approach. One of the most powerful tools at your disposal is a crypto screener. But how do you actually use a screener to find those hidden gems? Start by applying 3 essential filters: market cap, price, and trading volume. These filters help you cut through the noise and focus on coins that fit your investment goals. Market cap gives you a sense of a project's overall size and stability, helping you avoid coins that are too risky or too established to offer big returns. Price is important for staying within your budget, and trading volume shows you which coins are actively bought and sold, an indicator of real interest and liquidity. Don't just chase cheap coins or get distracted by hype. Look at the full picture, including fundamentals and recent trends. For example, you might filter for coins with a market cap between $500 million and $5 billion, a price under $50, and a daily trading volume above $10 million. This combination helps you find projects that are established but still have room to grow. With these filters, you'll shrink thousands of coins down to a much more manageable list, making your research process far more efficient. Now, you have a focused shortlist of potential gems, projects that deserve a closer look and deeper research before you invest. Remember, the screener is just your first step. Use it to uncover real opportunities, then dig deeper to find the next big thing in crypto. Now, it's time to put your filtered coins head-to-head in a true side-by-side battle. This is where you can really see how each coin stacks up against the others, not just in isolation, but in direct comparison. Most screeners present your chosen coins in a detailed table, laying out key stats like market cap, price, trading volume, and often much more. Sometimes even metrics like circulating supply, all-time highs, or recent price changes. Look closely for differences. Maybe 2 coins have nearly identical market caps, but one is traded far more actively, hinting at higher liquidity or stronger community interest.
Dive deeper by checking recent price movements, the total circulating supply, and how close each coin is to its all-time high. These details can reveal momentum or potential risks. Every metric is a clue. Use them together to spot emerging trends, identify red flags, and understand what sets each project apart from the rest. The screener is a powerful tool to help you narrow down your options, but remember, it's just the starting point for your research journey. Go beyond the numbers. Click through to each project's official website, read their white paper, and check out their social media channels to get a sense of the team and community. By combining hard data with real, hands-on research, you'll be equipped to make smarter, more confident investment decisions in the fast-moving world of crypto.
Don't rely on the screener alone. It's a filter, not a crystal ball. Always follow up with deeper research into the project's fundamentals. Avoid filter fitting. Don't tweak filters just to justify a coin you already want. Let the data guide you, not your biases. Top screeners: TradingView, CoinMarketCap, and CoinGecko, all user-friendly and packed with info. Make screening a habit. Set aside time each week to spot new trends and opportunities. As you get comfortable, try advanced filters and technical indicators. Keep learning, stay curious, and invest smart. This is how you win in crypto.